Hey, welcome to my channel Industry 4.0. Today, in this video, we will learn the important building blocks of a schema and how to make one for the GraphQL server. Please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's start the video. Introduction. GraphQL server usages a schema refer to the form of available data. This schema describes a chain of command of types with fields. Those are settled from the back-end data stores. The schema as well states accurately which queries and mutations are existing for clients to perform. In this video, we will learn the important building blocks of a schema and how to make one for the GraphQL server. Description. A GraphQL schema is essential to any GraphQL server application. It refers to the functionality existing to the client uses that connect to it. We may use any programming language to form a GraphQL schema and shape an interface around it. The GraphQL runtime outlines a generic graph-based schema. That is to publish the competencies of the data service it signifies. Client applications may query the schema inside its capabilities. This method decouples clients from servers and permits together to change and scale freely. All we require to prepare is to identify the types for the API using the GraphQL schema language. That is in use as an argument to the build schema function. The GraphQL schema language cares for the scalar types of string, int, float, boolean, and ID. Therefore, we can use these openly in the schema we pass to build schema. Each type is nullable by default. It's real to return null as any of the scalar types. Usage an exclamation point to specify a type cannot be nullable. Therefore, string is a non-nullable string. Surround the type in square brackets to use a list type. Therefore, int is a list of integers. Each of these types maps directly to JavaScript. As we can just return plain old JavaScript objects and APIs that return these types. Example. var express equals require express. var GraphQL HTTP equals require express GraphQL. var build schema equals require GraphQL. // construct a schema using GraphQL schema language. var schema equals build schema. Type query. Quote of the day, string. Random, float. Roll 3 dice, int. // the root provides a resolver function for each API endpoint. var root equals. Quote of the day equals. Return math.random less than 0.5. Take it easy, salvation lies within. Random equals. Return math.random. Roll 3 dice equals. Return 1, 2, 3, .map, underscore equals 1 plus math.floor, math.random, asterisk 6. var app equals express. App use / GraphQL, GraphQL HTTP. Schema. Root value, root. Graphical, true. App listen, 4000. Console.log, running a GraphQL API server at localhost 4000/GraphQL. Field definitions. We define many of the schema types which have one or more fields. Every field returns data of the type stated. A field's return type may be a scalar, object, enum, union, or interface. This book type has 2 fields, title and author. Type book. Title, string # returns a string. Author hashtag returns an author. Function syntax of make executable schema. This function takes a single argument of object type. The syntax for using this function is described as import make executable schema from GraphQL tools. Const.js schema equals make executable schema. Type defs. Resolvers / optional. Logger / optional. Allow undefined in resolve equals false / optional. Resolver validation options equals / optional. Directive resolvers equals null / optional. Schema directives equals null / optional. Parse options equals / optional. Inherit resolvers from interfaces equals false / optional. For more details visit https://www.technologiesindustry4.com/2021/11/graphql-schema.html